Is your Tesla Model 3 blowing cold air when you need heat? This is a common issue that can stem from several components: the heater core, coolant pump, or even software glitches within the HVAC temperature control system. We'll explore these causes and how to address them. Don't worry, many issues are resolvable through simple troubleshooting or Tesla's service updates. The heater core transfers heat from the coolant to warm the air. Leaks or blockages can prevent hot air from blowing. The coolant pump circulates the fluid through the system. Electrical failures or wear can cause it to stop working properly. Software glitches in the HVAC control module can misreport temperatures or lock the system in cold mode. Here's a diagram showing the coolant flow in the Tesla Model 3 system, illustrating how heat is distributed. And this is the Tesla interface, where you might check for software updates or diagnostics related to the HVAC system. Many issues are resolvable through simple troubleshooting or Tesla's service updates, such as recalls for coolant pumps or software fixes. Unlike traditional cars that rely on engine waste heat, the Tesla Model 3 uses an advanced electric heat pump system for heating and cooling. The heat pump efficiently recycles waste heat from the vehicle's battery and electric motor, providing heating without burning fuel. This closed-loop refrigerant system includes components like the evaporator, compressor, heat exchanger, and expansion valve. Key components include the heater core, which transfers heat from the coolant to warm the cabin air. The coolant pump circulates the fluid through the system, and the HVAC control module is the software brain that regulates temperature sensors and actuators. The system integrates with the vehicle's overall cooling architecture, including the radiator, thermostat, water pump, and coolant expansion tank. This ensures proper heat exchange and prevents overheating. Failures in any of these components can prevent the system from blowing hot air. For example, low coolant levels can cause the pump to overheat, leading to system shutdown or reduced performance. A primary cause for heating issues in your Tesla Model 3 is low coolant levels. The coolant circulates heat from the battery and motor to warm the cabin. First, inspect the coolant level in the frunk, which is the front trunk area. Open the frunk and locate the coolant reservoir cap. If the coolant level is below the marked lines, it indicates a potential leak somewhere in the system. Common leak points include the coolant pump, which circulates the fluid, and the heater core, which transfers heat to the air. To visualize the coolant pathway, here's a schematic of the system. Next, check under the car for visible signs of leakage, such as puddles or wet spots near the engine area. If you find any signs of a leak, it's best to schedule a service appointment with Tesla rather than attempting repairs yourself, as this could void your warranty. HVAC problems in your Tesla Model 3 can sometimes stem from software glitches or bugs in the system's programming. Try resetting the HVAC system through the touchscreen. Go to the Controls menu, select HVAC Settings, and choose the Reset option to clear any temporary software issues. If the touchscreen reset doesn't resolve the issue, use the Tesla mobile app for remote diagnostics. The app can check for error codes and provide guidance on next steps. Tesla often pushes over-the-air software updates to address HVAC problems. These updates can fix bugs and improve system performance without visiting a service center. Make sure your Model 3 has the latest software, particularly version 2025.4, which included enhanced diagnostics specifically for HVAC systems and better temperature regulation. The HVAC systems control module, highlighted here, is where software updates make the biggest impact, improving diagnostics and overall system reliability. In cold climates, the Tesla Model 3's heat pump system may default to ambient mode, blowing cold air instead of hot. This issue often stems from sensor malfunctions that misread temperatures. Tesla service centers provide free inspections and replacements for faulty coolant pumps to resolve these problems. Additionally, extreme cold can impact battery range by 10 to 20% because the system prioritizes cabin heating over driving efficiency. If you've tried the troubleshooting steps and the issue persists, it's time to contact Tesla service. Persistent coolant leaks, unusual noises from the HVAC system, or complete heating failure warrant professional attention. Persistent coolant leaks, unusual noises from the HVAC system, or complete heating failure warrant professional attention. These signs indicate deeper issues that require expert diagnosis. Always consult Tesla's official service manual or a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty. Professional service ensures proper repairs and maintains your vehicle's coverage. Remember, professional service is recommended for safety and warranty protection when dealing with Tesla HVAC issues.